Alright, so let us get into the nitty-gritty of headings and paragraphs. Here I have some text within my body in my page. This is just a straightforward text which explains someone's learning journey. If we go to our web page, you see the text is just printed out at once. There is no structure here. It's just plain text. However, in reality, you need structure to help users better understand the text. By the way, any change I make here will automatically be reflected in the web page. So for example, if I put an exclamation mark, this will reload automatically. It's a new feature in WebStorm. To do that, go to Preferences, Tools, and make sure that you have your web browser selected and Reload Page is on Save. Let us surround my learning journey with H1 tag. H1 is a heading tag, and that is the thickest and largest of the tags. Now, let's go and see what happens. What will happen here is you will have my learning journey as the heading, but the rest of the text will remain the same. So this is how it looks. Not perfect, but a lot better than before. Now we know that my learning journey is separate from the other text. It's a heading. Now let us divide the other text into two paragraphs. So the first paragraph, we will surround it with the P, opening tag and closing tag. Then we have the second one, opening and closing tag. We now have a better structure here. We have the heading, the first paragraph, and the second paragraph. This is a way cleaner structure than what we had initially. This is how it looks now. A lot easier to read and understand what is going on. I can decide to change the heading to H4. Remember that we have H1, H2, H3, even H4 and H5. Now H4 is still a heading, but not as, large as H1. Sometimes you might not need the largest, maybe around the middle like H3. That could be a subheading or the main heading, depending on what you want. So you have options when it comes to the heading tag.